if you've got a turbocharged or supercharged Honda S2000, then this is one mod I would desperately recommend you do prior to fitting the intercooler in front of all your other cooling systems. So with the S2000, you've got the coolant radiator, then you've got the condenser, and then if you've got a supercharged car, you'll have a supercharger oil cooler, then you'll have your intercooler, and you might possibly have an engine cooler, and you're putting a lot of obstructions stopping you from getting air through the engine bay or through the front of the car. And if you look at that, hopefully you can see in enough detail, just look how knackered and corroded that AC condenser is on my Honda S2000. Very little air is going to be able to flow through those fins. Most of them are completely clogged. And this is after I've cleaned it. I bought some condenser fin cleaning solution and cleaned it up. But that's as clean as it would go. You can see all the paint's flaked off of it, and you can see some of the fins are partially collapsing. So if you're going to do any modification to your Honda S2000, especially in the UK, that involves turbocharging or supercharging, I would recommend you change this AC condenser, because it is going to cause restriction on all of your cooling systems if it's clogged. And as you can see on mine, it's massively clogged, which probably makes up for the fact that when I was supercharged, it was quite easy to get coolant temperatures high after a bit of a quick rag, most likely because the air struggled to get through the intercooler and the condenser, then to the radiator. So yeah, just worth considering. If you've got a Honda S2000, check your AC condenser before you whack a sodding great big inlet cooler in front of it.